Hello everyone and welcome to our channel iSchool Prep. My name is Ilyas Khan and today we're going to talk about one of the most important questions in the reading section of the IELTS test. This looks like it's true. No, maybe it's false. Oh, wait a minute, it's not given at all. Are these questions the most common ones that come to your mind when you're attempting the true, false or not given question type in the reading section of your IELTS test? Well, do not worry, you're not the only one who thinks like that. Everyone, almost everyone, has a problem with this question type. So, what is this question type? There will be a series of statements given to you, and you need to determine whether that statement, as compared to the text given, is true, false, or not given at all. Now, how do we determine that? It's simple. If it matches with the information in the text, it's true. If it contradicts with the information in the text, it's as simple as it's false. But where does the confusion creep in? Where people are not able to determine whether it's false or not given. At times, people mix these two things up. In fact, most of the times they do that. True is not a problem at all. The problem is false or not given. And how do we determine that? So, I'll give you an example in a visual manner. Okay? You can see me. Yes, you can. Now, let's say instead of the text, you have this visual of looking at me, and we will compare the statements to the visual. So if you say, Ilyas, my name is Ilyas, by the way. Ilyas is wearing a black t-shirt. Can you see the black t-shirt? The answer is yes. Am I wearing a black t-shirt? Yes. So the answer is, you're right, it's true. Second option, you can see me in this t-shirt, but the statement says, Ilyas is wearing a white t-shirt. Now, you can see the t-shirt, correct? And it's not white. It contradicts with the information that you're seeing. Statement says white t-shirt and the visual is black t-shirt. So it is a false statement. Now, I'll give you another example. And let's say if you determine that Ilyas is wearing a blue trouser. A blue pair of trousers? Can you see it? You cannot see it, right? That means it's neither true nor false. It's actually not given because you cannot see it. Similarly, in the text, if you see that the information is exactly what is given in the statement, I mean to say the information in the text and the information in the statement matches, it's true. If it says something and there is something else, it's false. But if there's nothing, it's a simple not given. Now, let's take another example and let's see if you guys have already become champions or not in this short time. You can see me again, right? A visual example again. Ilyas has black hair. You got to comment your answers. Well, yes, you can see it. It's not much, but it's black still. You're right. It's black hair. That's true. But if I would have said Ilyas has white hair, you cannot see white hair here, but you can see hair and it is contradicting, right? Now, I will not give another example of hair, but you can still see my face and I will say, I am wearing sunglasses. I'm wearing sunglasses. Now tell me, maybe a few of you must have thought it's not given, but it's actually not given. You can see my face and I'm actually not wearing sunglasses, right? Yes? So it's false because you can see it and it's not there. But if I would have said I'm wearing black shoes or brown shoes or whatever color, shoes, can you see my feet? You cannot see my feet. So how will you determine if I'm wearing shoes or not? So it's not given. That's right. Now, think about this in a similar manner, but take it to a text. Rather than looking at me, you take it to a text. right? Now, if it was given, Ilyas was talking. He was looking at you and talking. And he was wearing a black shirt. And the statement says Ilyas is wearing a black shirt. It's true. Ilyas was looking at you and talking, and he was wearing a black shirt. Statement says Ilyas was wearing a white shirt. Exactly. False. That's right. But Ilyas was looking at you and talking. He was wearing a black shirt, and they move on. There's no more information given on what I'm wearing. There's nothing in the text. And there's a statement that says Ilyas was wearing a blue pair of trousers. Now, is it mentioned in the text? The answer is no, it's not mentioned in the text. So it's a not given. Now, this is just one small example of one question type. There are as many as 12 question types in just the reading section, and there are many more in listening, and then so much more in writing and how to go about speaking. So if you want more, you like and subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more such wonderful informative videos. Thank you.